house too. I need to borrow those gloves and sticker bushes all through where I'm going. Yeah. I gotta find me a long sleeve shirt. At least this area, and she's lost. She went walking off about 20 minutes ago. Huh? About you.
She was crying.
Where were you at? You don't know? That way?
They live out and see back in the woods, and I was telling them, I go, these trails are not you guys' trails. Do not go out there. Stay close to the house. And they were having this dog show thing. Trying to train the dogs, and they got carried away, and then the boys come back without her. I don't even have a voice.
Yeah, I bet. What's your name, honey? Colleen. Colleen? Oh, okay.
In that ear.
That's a camera. It's on right now. And so I can know where I went, and if I found you, I was going to let everybody know that I found you, and you were okay. Okay? So always call me if that ever happens, son. Just call my cell phone or call my house.
Elvis and Mike are out fishing in Westport.
Mike,
I don't even know how to start our quad, and I'm like, I'm gonna.
I was about ready to get Josh on the other quad and have him follow me too. I put this on, I was gonna go to the sticker bushes, but
Yeah.
you saved me from sticker bushes.
Thank you.
All right, yeah, you guys have fun.